double dumbbell snatch is a great move for our HIIT workouts. It's a very dynamic and explosive movement. The number one thing to remember, it's one dynamic movement. So we're going from the bottom to the top in one smooth motion. What we don't want to do here is to bring the dumbbells to your shoulders and then press them up. So we want to go from here to here. The other mistake that I commonly see in fitness classes is people drop their hips too much, okay? Remember, this is a hinge, so our hips are gonna move back and forward right here. The way you make this easier, you can just use one dumbbell. So you can use one dumbbell right here. You can go all the way overhead, or if you're just gassed out from the workout, like it happens very often with me, you just bring a dumbbell right here to your chest, just like that.